A disclaimer, we didn't prepare. I was looking for Nicolas during the break. I couldn't find, so we are winging. Yeah, our talk. Do I start or you start?
Go ahead,
okay.
go ahead.
No, let's go back. I did a talk yesterday about creating schemas and how to use the schemas to create documentation, dashboards, but there was one question. What do I do if I already have metrics, I already have applications, and writing schemas by hand is very tiresome. I don't want to do it. So Nicolas built something that we want to present.
Cool. So, R2 show everything related to telemetry first. It's pretty nice, but the question is the same. What do we do with existing telemetry? This isn't a new problem, right? We kind of faced the same problem back in time when OpenAPI became a thing. You have a bunch of APIs on the wild, how you're going documenting all these APIs to people adopting API first. So the way that I think about solving that, it's like reverse engineering telemetry. Like you have a telemetry pipeline, you can just extract the schemas from the telemetry pipeline in runtime. And this is what we're gonna show you right now.
Yeah.
So we have showcase. How do
I exit all full screen?
He's not a Mac user.
Okay, there you go. So we don't have Node Exporter running, which would be a good example. We have Hotel Demo. There's a lot of microservices running, sending OTLP to a tool that we call Telecat. In Telecat, we can see all the metrics, logs, and spans. And if I knew how to run a profiler in Mac, I would have profiles, but I don't. And then we have an API to, for example, we are grouping together metrics in scopes, which is a logical group that makes sense together. For example, we have Go metrics, we have, I don't know, HTTP metrics, and if you go to API v1 scopes, let's see, Java. Then we have a schema with all the Java metrics, and we can just download the whole schema. If we go to another scope, let's see, Go, then we have all the Go metrics in the schema. So that's our plan for migration. We run on whatever we want to create a schema from, send to Telecat. Here, Telecat will give you the schema, and then from there, you do manual adjustments, and then you start using schemas.
Yeah, just to give you an idea, like all those telemetry are produced by SDK, instrumented on the code, and we don't have any schema from that. So we're inferring schema from runtime in like OpenTelemetry format or Prometheus format. We just extract metric name, what is the type of the label, and label values, and so on. And then this schema you saw right here is the Weaver schema that you can later use to generating all the SDK, okay? Like this project, there is a ongoing discussion on Weaver to donate this project to Weaver, so it becomes like a Weaver UI. Weaver project has more ambitions on maybe becoming a catalog management telemetry where you can do data governance. But this is just a way that we can give some incentive to engineers onboarding telemetry first implementation, but without rewriting everything from scratch.
Yeah, we got buy-in from the Weaver maintainers, so we have green lights to do this. There is one small problem. Weaver is written in Rust. I have no idea how to write this thing. So yeah, I don't know how do we proceed.
We will manage. We have AI.
Yeah. Another thing, Telecat is very under development, so we are open to whatever contributions. We were thinking, we are focusing on OTLP, but one idea, we could put the scrape manager code from Prometheus into Telecat, and then Telecat could scrape metrics from the usual /metrics endpoint, and then create the schemas from /metrics, and we don't need to convert to OTLP first.
5 minutes.
There you go.
That's it.
All right, thank you.